Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how to set notification ringtone in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you set notification ringtone in Redmi 10 phone? Today I'm going to tell you about this setting in this video guys. We will talk about it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now time to start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After it guys, come on sound vibration. So guys, we will click here, notification guys, click here. So you can see there are two notification sound guys, means notification tone. You want more, so guys click on more option. You can listen just for bubble. Oh, I like it guys, bubble. I want to set this notification sound. So guys, what will you have to guys, click here. So it will set, I think it will set guys when you will tap 2 times, so it will set automatic. So I hope guys you have understood how to set notification ringtone in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.